Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable hearing aid compatibility for phone's audio on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, tap on the phone application. Next, tap on the option key at the top from the pop-up menu. Tap on settings. In settings, you want to go down and tap on other call settings. In here, go down and tap on hearing aid compatibility. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And if you turn this on, you can adjust your phone's audio so it works better with hearing aids. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to the phone app or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.